Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Kayla, and I'm going to be singing All American Girl by Train. To be that good, it must be taxing. There's no such thing as satisfaction. You're making things happen while I'm relaxing like a Sunday afternoon. My dad used to tell me I was lazy. I got dance moves like Patrick Swayze. I'm the leftover turkey for the world's mayonnaise, the star next to the moon. And I know I'm just here to amuse you, and I don't mean to abuse you, but if I could just use you one time and tell me what it's like to be the queen of it all, the Neiman Marcus of them all. And tell me what it's like to be the one and only all-American girl. Now, I never had supernatural feeling, not to mention a sexual healing, but every now and then I get to the kneeling to thank him for it all. And you probably got some inside connections, so many numbers that you gotta Rolodex them, so much muscle that you never gotta flex them to catch you when you fall. And I know I'm just here to amuse you, and I don't mean to confuse you, but if I could just use you one more time and tell me what it's like to be the house on the hill, the #1 diet pill. And tell me what it's like to be the one and only all-American girl. Now I bet you won't say get crazy, or that you don't shave your legs when you're lazy, or that you're just like everybody else in the world. You just got lucky, that's all. And I know you're not here to amuse me, but you sure know how to confuse me. So if I could just ask you once again, tell me what it's like to be a star on the rise, a breakfast cereal prize. And tell me what it's like to be the one and only all-American girl, the